Hola, Mrs. Bass here with your instructions for today. Let me move this up here. Okay, first thing you're going to do, report your attendance. For your actividad inicial, you're going to complete this activity. You click right here and it takes you to SpanishSpanish.com. You're going to complete this activity with the new vocabulary. And then you're going to take a screenshot of the results and you're going to submit it right here. I want to change that. I'm going to add to put that screenshot, the URL too. I'm sorry, I don't know, the other thing. I'll file upload it, that thing. And okay, you have been practicing the alphabet sounds. You're going to go to this photo and follow the directions. So when you open the photo, it takes you here. I'm going to spell 3 words and you have to go to the comments, listen to the 3 words, go to the comments and type here number 1, and then you say the word that I say, and number 2, and you type the word that I say, and then number 3, and you type the word that I say, and then you click post reply. That will be your warm-up for today. We're starting our new section in the book. So today you're going to be working on your notebook. I need you to draw this in your notebook. It's about the dates. So we had the days of the week. How do you say the week? This is how you say day. This is plural. And then the year, the month, and how you say month, and how you say months in plural. Okay. Next, you're going to copy these notes in the notebook. All this has to be in your binder. Please write this, and it goes with the diagram, and you can put it in the same page, that's fine. If you need separate, that's good too, but you can put it all together. And last but not least, I'm going to move this is your video, but I'm going to move it up. And these are some useful links to practice the vocabulary. So that's all that you're doing. So you're going to practice the months, the days of the week, and I don't know why I put double video there. And I'm going to leave this to keep practicing the alphabet because that's what we're seeing. So it's alphabet and dates, but all that you're going to do today is you warm up, that you have to spell the words, and then copy the notes, and you don't have to submit anything else. I also put the Quizlet here. This Quizlet has the practice for the months and the seasons and the dates of the week. So you practice that, so when we have our participation points for playing the Quizlet, we were going to play that one. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email or let me know if we are in class. Talk to you later. Adios.